Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove bestseller on WIX. So let's go to the WIX editor page first. Sorry, not editor page. Go to WIX dashboard. Then you'll find here catalog. Now click on store products. Not click, just hover up your mouse on store products. Then click on products. Now I have given this product as bestseller, so I'm clicking on this. Click on that product that you have given bestseller tag. Now scroll down and you'll find here that ribbon and the name is bestseller. All you have to just remove this and you can write anything here or you can make it empty. That's up to you. After that you have to click on save. So this is how you can remove bestseller on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.